Imagine losing hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on unnecessary car repairs. Sounds terrible, doesn't it? This is the reality when it comes to wallet flushes. These are the services that automotive repair facilities might suggest which aren't always needed, and they can cost an arm and a leg. We're referring to expenses that leave your wallet feeling significantly lighter than it should, for repairs or services that your car might not even require. These are the concealed rackets in the automotive repair industry. They're subtle, they're crafty, and they're designed to make you believe you're doing what's best for your car when, in fact, you might just be filling someone else's coffers. Stay tuned, as today we're going to be revealing the top 4 wallet flushes to keep your hard-earned money where it belongs, in your wallet. Engine flushes. They sound important, don't they? Yet they're one of the most common wallet flushes out there. An engine flush is a process that's meant to clean out the gunk and sludge from your car's engine. But here's the catch. If your car is regularly serviced and the oil is changed at proper intervals, that nasty buildup shouldn't even be there in the first place. Further, while it might seem like a good idea to give your engine a deep clean, these flushes can sometimes cause more harm than good. The high-pressure process can dislodge debris, which can then clog up oil galleries or filters, leading to potential engine damage. So the next time your mechanic suggests an engine flush, ask yourself, is it truly necessary? Don't let a seemingly important service turn into an unnecessary expense. Next time you're recommended an engine flush, remember, it might just be a wallet flush in disguise. Fuel injector flushes, another seemingly essential service that might just be draining your wallet. The fuel injector, a key player in your car's engine, is responsible for introducing fuel into the engine cylinders. Now, a fuel injector flush is a process that cleans these injectors, removing any buildup or gunk that might hinder their performance. Sounds important, right? But here's the kicker. Many cars don't actually need them. Modern fuels are designed with detergents that keep your fuel injectors clean, making these flushes often unnecessary. However, there are exceptions. Older vehicles or those showing symptoms like poor fuel economy, rough idling, or difficulty starting might genuinely benefit from a fuel injector flush. The key is to know your vehicle and not to be swayed by blanket recommendations. Don't let your fuel injector become a money injector for unscrupulous repair shops. Replacing your air filter more often than necessary, you might be falling into a wallet flush trap. Now, don't get us wrong. Air filters play a vital role in the performance and longevity of your vehicle. They prevent harmful debris and dust from entering your engine, maintaining the quality of air your engine needs to run smoothly. Generally, an air filter can last anywhere between 15,000 to 30,000 miles, depending on the driving conditions. However, some automotive repair facilities might suggest you replace them far more frequently, often every 3,000 miles. This is typically an unnecessary expense. Unless you're driving in particularly dusty or polluted areas, your air filter should do just fine for a longer period. So, the next time you're told your air filter needs replacing ahead of schedule, question it. Seek a second opinion if need be. Remember, an overzealous air filter replacement schedule could be sucking more than just impurities from your car. It could be sucking money from your wallet. Brake fluid flushes, a vital service, or just another wallet flush? Let's delve into this. Brake fluid flushes involve replacing all the brake fluid in your system and getting rid of water and dirt buildup that can impair braking performance. This sounds important, right? And it is, but only when it's actually necessary. Unfortunately, many automotive repair shops recommend this service more frequently than needed, turning it into a classic wallet flush. The truth is, most vehicles don't require a brake fluid flush until they've covered a significant mileage, often around 100,000 miles. Even then, it's best to consult your vehicle's manual or a trusted mechanic before proceeding. So, don't be fooled by unnecessary recommendations. Remember, you're in control of your car's maintenance. Make informed decisions and avoid falling for wallet flushes. Don't let your brake fluid flush turn into a cash flow for the repair shop. Now that we've unveiled these wallet flushes, how can you protect yourself? The answer lies in 3 simple yet effective strategies. Firstly, never shy away from seeking a second opinion. If a service feels unnecessary or too expensive, consult another mechanic or auto expert. A fresh perspective can often shed light on the real necessity of a recommended service. Secondly, understanding your car's maintenance schedule is crucial. Every car model comes with a manufacturer-recommended maintenance schedule, usually found in your vehicle's manual. This guide is your best friend when it comes to knowing when and what services your car truly needs. Lastly, maintain a healthy skepticism towards services that seem superfluous. If it seems like a service is being pushed on you without a clear explanation, ask questions and do your own research. Remember, knowledge is power. Stay informed, be vigilant, and keep your wallet flush-free.